Anterior unlabeled muscles on the right hand side, and on the left you have the labels. Anterior labeled muscles. Anterior labeled muscles. All labeled illustrations can be used as an example for your unlabeled illustrations. You can color the labeled illustrations. Use the labeled illustrations to identify the muscles of the unlabeled illustrations. And you can choose different colors to color each individual muscles. For example, you have all the labels for the anterior muscles on the left-hand side. Take a look at the deltoid muscle. You can use your favorite color to color the deltoid muscle. Then find the deltoid muscle label on your left and color it the same color that you used on the actual illustration. Now repeat the same process with all the anterior muscles. This is what you will do with all the illustrations in this book. You can also draw a line to each muscles and write in the name of each muscles. Muscular System Coloring Book. Why use it? Learning and remembering the muscular system can be overwhelming. This coloring book is a unique aid that gives you an innovative approach to learning the muscular system. A priceless resource that will appeal to all. It's very detailed, well designed, clearly and precisely labeled. Let's take a look at the interior pages of the Muscular System Coloring Book. The next couple of pages you will have anterior, lateral, posterior, labeled illustrations. Having a better understanding and learning the muscular system in detail can be achieved through coloring. Coloring will improve your studying ability and help increase your reference recall by fixating the anatomical images in your mind for easy visual recall later on, just from the simple physical activity of coloring. Each of the labeled illustrations in this book are clearly labeled, and each labeled muscles can be colored. The whole activity process of coloring is intended to imprint on your memory the different shapes and location of each muscle, which will help you to visually recall later the different shapes and location of each muscle. Here you have the anterior unlabeled muscles. You can find a label for each muscle on the left-hand side of the page. So what you want to do is color the muscle, for example, the deltoid muscle. So you color the muscle and find the label on the left-hand side and color the label also with the same color. Once you run out of color, you can use two different colors on that particular muscle and also on the label to your left. For example, to find the label or the exact labeling for that particular muscle, you can use the labeled example. The labeled illustrations can be used as an example for your unlabeled illustrations. So again, what you want to do is color the muscle to the right for, again, example, the deltoid, and then find the deltoid label to your left and color it with the same color that you use on the muscle to the right. Let's continue looking through the muscular system coloring book. Quick reminder. So, the illustration on the right, you want to find a particular muscle and color it whatever color you decide to choose. And then find the label on the left-hand side and color that label the same color as the muscle. And you can use the labeled illustration as your example. Labeled illustration. Okay, let's finish taking a look through the rest of the book.
Well, there you have it. For more information, click on the link below this video.